Hi, this is Eric again, and I will be sharing with you more about our iMin UI and our mobile device management platform, iMin Kit, as these are user-centric functions and features. We wanted to ensure that we cover every detail in order to make sure our customers are equipped with and given the best. First, let me address the iMin UI. In older versions, we utilized the template designs that were available from the Android display selection. However, we have now revamped with the UI of our devices, as we recognize that users are dealing with our POS interface for the whole day. We wanted to provide something less boring and more pleasing to look at. In addition, it's also a good opportunity for us to reinforce our branding identity by creating a new and eye-catching design that is unique to iMin. All of our devices operate based on the Android operation system, and we continuously update them to cope with the market requirements. As our mission is to help merchants from all over the globe to digitalize their business, it is important to be updated with the latest technical and trends to help them remain relevant and compete to win the best. We also strive to maintain and develop our platforms and provide top-tier system with interactive and intelligent experience for our users. When switching to iMin products, you can easily set up with our one-time system integration design. Device setup has never been easier. With a few clicks, you will be fully ready to start and grow your business with iMin. Next, let me move on to share more about the iMin Kit. To put it simply, the platform is exclusive feature for clients and can be described as a dashboard overview to manage all your devices remotely, anywhere, anytime. For software clients, you are able to control the visibility of your application easily using our platform to make it present in regional or global setting. Users are also able to customize their app store to only display exclusive applications that they want to have. We even cater for grayscale testing on the new customer who required a beta testing phase before official deployment of the device. Using the iMin Kit, you're also able to schedule and plan for applications updates with silent installation in order to avoid business interruption. By arranging for overnight updates, you will be able to avoid downtime during the business hours, while being sure that your device is geared with the latest technology updates all the time. In addition, business owners will be able to restrict the download for certain applications. This can prevent any breaks in productivity or distraction due to social media applications and other media outlets. You will also be able to configure your device into different system settings to suit your business needs. Accuse mode, to lock the device into certain business apps, making sure no other unauthorized device usage for error-proof potential mistake by customers. Configuring desired wallpapers for branding or marketing efforts. Configuring your unique boot-up animation for branding. Create a seamless business process with automatic application startup when your device is turned on. Auto application installation to make sure the deployment across multi-outlets immediately. Prevent unauthorized application uninstallation to avoid the loss of your business data. The iMin Kit aims to serve your business need and act as a remote assistant to ease technical support operations and provide better insights in the customer perspective. The iMin support team will also be able to help you debug or troubleshoot technical faults, no matter where you are, to ensure the device safety and operational status. You may also manage your POS device across all the outlets from a single location, such as your headquarters using the iMin Kit platform, and generate the sales reports from individual outlets. With the iMin Kit, you can focus on running your business, while we handle the rest.